All right, coming up next, a UFC bantamweight division fight.
You ready?
Well, the tension is palpable as this fight gets underway, and gonna be interesting to see how this matchup plays out. Definite striker on one side against another guy who can really do it all.
And in those situations, normally the guy that's more well-rounded will be the one that will find success. I want to see how this plays out.
Oh, really using his reach advantage there with that punch, DC. Garbrandt shot is blocked. Clipped him with the right hand there.
Jab.
He blocks the punch. And he lands a punch there. Pretty good connection by him.
Great connection. He's in a great flow right now.
Back and forth we go. Man, is he timing his shots well here tonight, DC. It's hard to recall him being this accurate in the past.
I mean, he is so sharp. And not only is he accurate, he's also keeping very busy.
It's not over. It's not over. Keep moving.
And he landed the right hand there. Big right hook coming, it's blocked.
It's very tricky when he throws that body.
Lands a strike there. So just over 20 total strikes have now landed for Cody Garbrandt. Oh, and he gets tagged. Nice combination there, and might not be a bad idea for the opposition to just tweak that head off the center line.
He was landing one before. Now he's throwing everything in combination, and they're all landing.
Keep pushing forward. Let's go.
Look at him drive his shin into his opponent's body with that body.
Defense now.
Ooh, head kick lands. He's hurt.
Garbrandt's lower jaw does not look good. I don't think it's broken, but starting to show some obvious signs of swelling. 90 seconds now to go in the round. All right, good job by him there to raise the guard and protect his head.
He's doing a good job of keeping the guard high, blocking his head, making sure he's not taking those damaging strikes up top.
Oh, spinning back fist. He didn't telegraph that one at all.
Good. Keep the pressure on him. You're doing great here.
Big kick lands.
And both guys. There, he could be in trouble.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad. He doesn't know if he's in the octagon or at his mama's house for Thanksgiving. The dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him. Knock him out. The fight's done.
Oh, big left.
Big, powerful punch lands. Now he gets back in the ring.
All right, that horn signifies the end of the round. Let's take us through some replays, champ.
And the replays are going to be kicks. That's the story of this fight to this point. He is landing these kicks at will, just driving his shin into his opponent's legs, and it's really starting to slow him down.
Yeah, you ready? You ready?
All right, round two.
Nice looking punch.
Well, eventually you know he's going to turn this defense into offense, but he's certainly doing a nice job on the defensive end this fight.
They talk about the feeling out process. He's getting his opponent's timing. Now he's blocking everything. Expect counters as we go forward.
Hands high. Hands high.
Garbrandt gets hit with that overhand.
Piece of head movement now.
Right. He's hurt now.
He turned his entire body into that uppercut, and it landed exactly as he was hoping.
Well, he's up, but he is hurting for certain. The finish could come at any time. Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, big left hook. Hook there. Nice little blow of the fight.
I mean, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect, John. Great placement on that uppercut.
Nicely done there to keep his hands up and block that strike. He's
protect the cut. He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Oh, he might be out. Wow. Well, he's I'm not sure his opponent knows where he is.
He doesn't know where he is. He's hurt real bad. That punch.
He's out.
He got him. What a performance.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. All right, DC, no telestrator tonight, but we're going to get you some highlights from this one. This was a fight that had it all, and for my money, his best performance to date.
His best performance to date in the biggest moment. In the biggest moments, you got to show up. And that's exactly what he did tonight. He used every bit of his skill to get the job done.
Girl for certain, and my body on point, they be like, who's just searching? Turns out, I'm never in a drought, and from what these say, I look better in person. I'm already getting used to the look, and man, these bitches can't stop, they the regular version.